I-Agri is the professional institution for technologists, scientists, engineers and managers working in the land-based industries. The land-based industries that the institution supports are agriculture, horticulture, amenity, forestry and environment. Professional qualifications can take many forms, from Eng Tech all the way through to Chartered Engineer. Professionalism is important at all levels. It's important for your employer and it's important for the customer that you're working from. They need to have the confidence in your ability to do the job, and professional qualifications will give them that confidence. Now, it doesn't matter whether that's a technician working on a combine harvester or on a highly technical forestry machine, who will probably need to have an LTA qualification and be Eng Tech registered, all the way through to a design engineer or consultant who will probably need to be a chartered engineer to give his customers that level of confidence.
My name is Lucy and I'm currently studying at Harper-Adams University College, and I'm looking for future employment in the land-based industry. There are 4 LTA categories, all of which are registered in a central database by the I-Agri. LTA 1, typically apprentices or new entrants to the scheme. LTA 2, newly qualified apprentices or assessed skilled technician meeting the required criteria. LTA 3, a skilled and experienced technician who has successfully attended a series of assessed course programmes, maybe a product specialist. LTA 4, a professional technician having a proven and assessed track record. Additional assessment criteria are included to demonstrate exceptional diagnostic and technical ability together with customer and technical mentoring skills. In order to progress beyond LTA 1, you will need to demonstrate your technical knowledge, commitment and abilities.
The benefits of being registered through the land-based technical accreditation is that the engineer is not only getting a JCB recognised qualification, but they're also getting a qualification that's industry recognised by I-Agri. And the benefit to the engineer of having that qualification registered recognised by I-Agri is it's very transportable and transferable. It shows that that engineer has reached an industry recognised, industry standard.
I did an MVQ at the local agricultural college, Writtle, and then from there learnt valuable practical skills in the workshop and in the field, and then from there went on to dealership where I could actually use those skills in the field. To become an Eng Tech, you need to have formal qualifications in the form of MVQ level 3. Also, you need to have proven your skills within engineering understanding of the products, contributing to design of manufacture, accepting personal responsibility, using effective communication skills and interpersonal skills, and abiding by the code of conduct.
I'm one of the directors here at Russell's. We're a New Holland dealership based in North Yorkshire. We have 4 agricultural branches and 2 ground care divisions trading as K&M mowers. We employ around about 100 staff, and I suspect around 50 of those will be based in our service side of our business.
The scheme provides a common means of benchmarking, monitoring and assessing the competence of technicians within the dealership, creating a structured learning path, analysing the requirements of a modern technician and developing their careers accordingly.
The benefits of an IN professional qualification are the recognitions for my expertise and hard work, improved career prospects, greater influence within my organisation and industries, as well as access to lifelong learning, international recognition for my qualifications, letters after my name, and all leading to higher earning potential. The qualification is open to anyone who can demonstrate the required professional competencies and commitments. These are set out by the Engineering Council and governed by the appropriate institutions. In my case, it's the I-Agri. These are then developed through education and working experience.
Being a member of the institution has helped me a great deal in achieving what I've achieved. Professional registration shows that you've got what it takes to work at that level. It shows that you've been registered by an external accreditation authority. The incorporated engineer of someone who is a very competent technician operating at a very high level of technical competence over and above the engineering technician grade. And I think also it gives the engineering technician something to aspire to work through the pathway of engineering technician to incorporated to, if they want, through further CPD and staff development, through to a chartered status if they wish.
By becoming chartered, it gives me two types of benefits. Firstly, following the scheme gives me the opportunity to track my progress during my placement year. This is useful to ensure I continue to improve and develop as an engineer. It also encourages me to be proactive during my placements and look for opportunities to learn new skills. Secondly, I believe that once I gain chartered engineering status, it allows me to progress to roles with higher levels of responsibility and give me greater credibility in the business environment. I also hope that obtaining the title will be an asset to my CV, as it demonstrates to potential employers that I have the ability and willingness to continue to learn after university.
The chartership gives them the ability to become more credible as an individual within the organisation. You know, engineers or students come in, they've got a nice an honours degree and they want to progress into chartership. They start using the skills and knowledge that they've developed through university, and then the chartership encapsulates and it increases their credibility and exposure within the organisation itself. It helps them move on to more senior positions within the company, and those are actively encouraged by the business. And the credibility is all about, you know, the credibility of what you've learned and the ability to actually utilise the knowledge and experience you've gained through studying.
I agree caters for all those working in engineering related activities within horticulture, forestry, amenity, agriculture, and of course the environment. All of these have some aspects of environmental stewardship involved in them. And through the I Agree, there is a conduit to a further qualification, which is that of a chartered environmentalist.
Chartered environmentalists show a commitment to good environmental practice and a high degree of expertise within their field. You must also demonstrate knowledge, competence and an engagement with sustainable environmental management. Benefits of becoming a chartered environmentalist would give me official recognition across many industries, demonstrating my environmental consideration. This is becoming more important to employers at a time when government legislation for continued sustainable development is putting more pressure on them.